Click on the link below to get price. The Leica 10x42 Trinovid HD Binoculars are a remarkable piece of optics that seamlessly combine precision engineering with user-friendly design. Right out of the box, the build quality is evident. The body feels robust yet comfortable to hold, which is essential for extended use. Weighing in at just under 1.5 pounds, they strike a fine balance between sturdiness and portability, making them ideal for both casual outings and serious wildlife observations. The optics are truly the standout feature. With a 10x magnification and 42mm objective lens, the clarity and brightness of the images are exceptional, even in low light conditions. The HD glass minimizes distortion and color fringing, allowing for a pristine view that brings nature's details to life. You can easily spot the intricate patterns on a bird's feathers or the subtle hues of a sunset. One of the most impressive aspects is the wide field of view, which measures 345 feet at 1,000 yards. This makes tracking moving subjects, such as birds in flight or animals in the distance, much easier. The focus mechanism is smooth and precise, enabling quick adjustments to get the sharpness just right. The included cleaning kit is a thoughtful addition that enhances the overall value of this bundle. Keeping optics clean is vital for maintaining image quality, and the kit provides everything you need to ensure your binoculars are always in top condition. The microfiber cloth, lens brush, and cleaning solution are easy to use and help to safeguard against scratches and smudges. In terms of ergonomics, the rubber armor provides a secure grip, and the binoculars are both waterproof and fog-proof, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. Whether you are birdwatching, hiking, or attending sporting events, the Leica 10x42 Trinovid HD Binoculars deliver a premium experience that is hard to match. Overall, this set is an excellent investment for anyone serious about outdoor exploration.